Hello, Manong Samurai here, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your auxiliary fan motor on your second generation Montero Sport. This process is simple and may be similar to other cars. We're going to be working on my field team Montero, which has a faulty fan motor. So without further ado, let's begin. So here are the tools you're going to need. Sockets to remove your nuts, screwdriver, needle nose pliers to remove the plastic clips, and of course, your new fan motor with the right socket. How do you know when you need to replace your fan motor? Well, it should run like this: slow, little to no air being drawn, or it may not be working at all totally. First, open the hood and remove the grills or the plastic pieces to get to the fan. Remove the fan with your sockets. Unplug the socket by pressing on the tabs to pull them apart. Careful not to break this, as that would be a huge pain. Now, after doing this, pull out the whole unit. On the fan, remove the cover by undoing the screws around it to have access to the blades. Undo the center nut on the fan blades. Once you see the motor, undo the nuts that hold it in place at the back. Now that the motor is out, we can swap in the new one. Double check if they are the same, especially the sockets. Reinstall the screws and the wires to be put back in their proper place. Now, reinstall the fan blade. Make sure to center the nut and tighten properly. Screw back the cover and you're almost done. Place back the whole fan unit from where it came from. Before putting everything back, and also the finishing touches, test out your work. Start the car and turn on the AC. You can see now that the fan works and that it should be drawing in air stronger. Also check if the fan is drawing in air and not pushing it out. Once everything checks out, finish up with the last bolts, return the panels that you removed, and you're done. Alright, now to check the AC in the car. We can now feel cooler air and expect it to remain cool even in the idle, thanks to the brand new fan motor. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, give it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing. Till next time, Jamatak Minasan.